Hi internet, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is the day I've promised a lot of people on my YouTube page that I'm going to make this video, and by the grace of God this video is for you guys. You have waited so long for the video to come out. I've been super busy, but today I decided to make this video. So for those of you who want to visit the Gambia and you are looking for transportation company numbers, this is the video. I'm heading now to the park. It's kind of the weather is very bad. It's raining. It's been raining. It's first rain of the year, but I said today is the day to go there and make this video. Yeah, I'm going to get it sorted. Watch to the end so you can get a number and call the company and ask them whatever question you want to ask them. Any information, any inquiries you need, you have to call them. Okay, let's do this, guys. Banjul is the capital of Gambia. So if you're going to anywhere, you can come to Banjul and get a vehicle. Let me just give you a quick tour of how Banjul looks like, the capital of Gambia. Here we have a church. This church looks old, man. Yeah, looks very old, like all these colonial masters churches.
The first church in the Gambia.
So that is how it looks like, and these are the streets. Oh wow. So this is the capital. The capital is not big, it's very small. Very small.
It's a small country itself.
Yeah, this is how it looks like.
That time in an hour that was at the day.
Alright, and there, over there they say is the president's house. You know, in Nigeria, before you see the president's house, you have to go miles away.
How is his office? If you go there now, you see soldiers. This is a church. Okay, Anglican Cathedral of Lady of the Assumption. I'm in the streets of Banjul, just touring the area to show you guys how this place looks like. It's very hot today because of the rain that fell this morning. The weather just changed automatically. It's really like very hot. No single breeze at all. Okay, so this is the street of Banjul, the capital, and this restaurant picture looks funny, like someone is poo-poo in the toilet. The picture looks funny, right? These are the rams they killed on Tabaski, the remaining rams. Okay. In the real streets of Gambia, the capital. Where are we going to? See. so much rice. See? Too much water on the road. As you can see, just little rain. Everywhere is watery. Okay. These buildings, they look very old, like this is where the country started development. As you can see, these are the structures of 50 years, 60 years ago. This is how they build their homes. Like you can see this one in front of me. But these ones here, they just modernizing it. Like these ones are old, as you can see. Anything that is old lasts longer. You see, this building will never crack. These old buildings never cracks because it was built very strongly. All right, so that's it. Right. Okay. Yeah. Wow, these are how their houses looks like. Oh my goodness. Just take picture. No, your telephone. Your satellite. Oh my goodness. Kathleen Basma.
Yeah.
Are you friend? Oh, these are warehouses. All these shops, they use it for warehouses.
Right, everything now.
Yeah, everything here. This is how they store it, and they'll take it from there to go and sell it outside. To get a warehouse here, maybe small money, but they're very expensive. I think we have to pass this way. These are the streets.
Yeah, go like this.
Okay. Now, now we move the road. In the streets of Banjul. Banjul. Looks like this is where the development started in Gambia, because these buildings looks very old, like even the zinc. Bamtel House. Yeah, the buildings looks like a
Network.
company.
Network.
Bamtel. But I don't think it's functioning.
It's functioning.
Ah,
It's like they don't use it, like it was the first network, but I don't think they use it again.
okay. Okay guys, this is it. So right now I'm heading to the park. This is how the street looks like. That motor Zania VIP, that is a car. Oh, this one's, oh wow, Rico bus.
Yes.
Okay, African tour.
Yeah.
So this number now, they can reach you straight. I mean the people in Selumun.
Yeah, this is our agent number.
In Selumun.
Benet Zongo. Yeah, Zongo.
Let me video it.
So,
okay guys, so I just came out of the company now, the motor company. So the manager was explaining everything to me. He said if you want to go to Benin and pay there, the transport is higher. But if you pay from here, Gambia,
secondly, scammers.
yeah, scammers, they might try to divert you, you know. If you say you're asking for African tour park, they'll try to say, it's here, but you don't know, you can follow them and all of those things. So, but he said if you have somebody in Gambia, the person will come and book the ticket for you, send it to you, right? Through email or WhatsApp. Abi?
Yeah.
Then you take it to the park there. You call this number. This is the number here. I hope you can copy it down, right? You can copy it down. Try to call them. If you're coming, you have to have extra cash after you paid for the transport. Just have like 250,000 for the transport, right? And then you can have an extra money like 100. You change that one. You keep aside for your food and all the expenses of stamping and all of that. In case they stop you at any checkpoint, you should be able to clear yourself.
Like from Mali coming to
okay, so that is it. And I think I'm going to write the number, this number down in the video description. Maybe if here is too complicated for you, you can also go to Cotonou and find out a lot of things about the African tour by yourself to make it more easier for you. The guy was trying to say paying the transportation all the way from Benin is more expensive than paying it in Gambian currency. Okay, so you can transfer the money, which I will not advise for you to do that. I know someone here, but I don't trust anybody when it comes to money. You understand? So I will not advise you to pay your money to anybody I recommend. Then at the end of the day, you will say, I was the one that asked you to pay. When it comes to money, trust nobody. Trust nobody. So I will advise, if you are coming, go to Benin Republic, pay the money there, and do everything there. Or you can go to Benin Republic, make inquiry, ask them how much is the payment and the money you will have with you when it comes to settlements. Okay, that is it. Yeah, so I'm here in Banjul, just giving you a quick tour of Banjul, how the area looks like. Banjul of the Gambia. It rains yesterday, but then you can see water on the road everywhere. This place does not like rain too much. Little rain can cause a lot of water gathering on the streets and all of that. So yeah, throughout, I don't know where I'm going to. So let's go back this way.
Bali